You found your first egg.
Put it in the basket,
sweetie.
Oh my
Put it in
goodness,
the basket.
you found one.
Okay,
Let's
can you
go.
find another one?
Let's go. Let's see, where's an egg? Oh, look, an egg. An egg.
Oh, wow.
Say one.
Wow.
Oh, put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket.
Brandon, put it in the basket.
Wow, something's inside that
See,
egg. We'll have to find
Brandon,
out
let's
later.
look for more eggs. Do you see any more eggs?
Wow.
An egg.
Oh my goodness. There's something in that one too. Can you find another egg?
Where's another egg? Wow.
Wow. Oh, there's something in there, but it doesn't make noise.
Let's see.
Oh, you found one on your own. Okay, I think there's some more for you to
Put it in the
find.
basket.
Put that one in the basket.
Some more eggs.
Wow! Are there more? More?
What's in there?
More?
I
Wow!
know what's in there.
Are there any more? You have to look all over. Oh, you found a yellow one.
Put it in the basket.
Are there more?
I think so.
Yeah, keep looking. There's a few more.
See,
I think
where's
there's
the
a
eggs?
yellow
Where are
one.
the eggs? Ooh,
That's a big one. That's a special egg.
Big Mama Jabba.
That's a big one.
Hey, you gotta put it in the basket.
Uh-oh.
What is that? Big Mama Jumbo.
You gotta put it in the
Kind of
basket.
sticks. It's fun.
Wait, what about that egg? What about that egg?
Mama Jumbo.
Yeah, put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket. All right.